this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be making a veggie cheese omelette. This is a perfect breakfast item because it has a lot of protein and it is a great way to start your day. So without further ado, let's get cooking. To make this recipe, we will need 2 eggs, half of a small onion that is finely chopped, 20 to 25 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/4 of a bell pepper that is finely chopped, 2 to 3 mushrooms that are finely chopped, 6 to 7 leaves of spinach that are finely chopped, some salt and pepper as per your taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. First, you will take a medium bowl and we will crack in both of the eggs. And then you will whisk these together for around 15 seconds. And then you will add in the paprika, the salt and pepper, the chopped bell pepper, the chopped onions, the chopped spinach, and the chopped mushrooms. You will mix all of these together. Then you will take a small pan on low to medium heat and you will spray some oil on it. You can spread it out a little and then you will pour in the omelette mixture. And you will let this cook until both sides are golden brown. Once one side of the omelette is brown, you will flip it and then you will let the other side cook. Once both sides are almost cooked, you will sprinkle on some of the mozzarella cheese and then you will cover the pan with a lid and you will let this cook until the cheese is melted. Once the cheese is melted, you can fold the omelette in half. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. Also, make sure to follow my Instagram account. See you in the next video.